Hi everyone, today we're talking about the heartbreaking story of the missed opportunities to protect people in care homes during the COVID-19 pandemic. A new report by the Nuffield Trust Health think tank and the London School of Economics has looked into how the first wave of COVID-19 in care homes resulted in almost 20,000 residents dying in England and Wales. It wasn't a case of the government throwing a protective ring around social care as was claimed by the former Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, but instead a result of neglect that had been occurring for years. The review found that the government had failed to respond to risks exposed by pandemic planning exercises. There were not enough civil servants working on social care, and the fragility of the sector was underestimated when the care homes ended up accepting patients. Worst of all, at a meeting to discuss the pandemic back in February 2020, social care issues were pushed to the sidelines, with priority instead given to the needs of the NHS. The report shows how if things had been handled differently, thousands of lives could have been saved, and the pain and distress of care home residents and their families could have been avoided. This highlights how urgent and pressing it is for social care needs to be taken more seriously, a problem that has been ongoing for years. While the government has put forward £2.9 billion in COVID-specific funding, sent out 230 COVID tests to care homes and prioritized them for vaccinations, and put in £7.5 billion of investment to support the sector in the coming years, there is still much work to be done in order to have an effective and quality social care system. This report is a reminder of the need to take the voices of the vulnerable seriously, and dedicate the necessary levels of time and resources to this sector. We cannot allow the same kind of pain and distress to happen again. We need to turn the words into actions and put in the hard work required to reform social care. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stay tuned for more videos like this.